There's the resident rooster. He has free range. He stays in the barn with the livestock, and he's got privileges. He happens to love goats over birds. So he's kind of connected to the babies. And we let him free range, and he seems to just hang around. He follows us everywhere, very curious about what we're doing. Hey, Napoleon. We call him Napoleon because he's a tiny little guy. He used to sit underneath the hens, the full-grown hens. That's how little he is. Yeah, yep. Sometimes he'll go over and pretend he's part of the group over there. You can't see those guys over there. But, yeah. There's Napoleon. But he wants to see what we're doing. And what we're doing today is filming the bees. This is going to be, I think the second or the third time he looked at them. He's got to get the sugar, the food out of there, the pollen patty, and then the sweet sugar water. He's got to get that stuff out of there, and then check and see how the queen's doing, and see how the hive is doing all together. But it's quite active. And he's heading back. He's getting his smoker situated. He's got a little bit of hay.
Hello, love.
Hello, what you doing there, honey?
My stuff for the smoker.
The smoker.
Smoke.
Yeah. He's getting ready to get into the bees. Yep. So I'm gonna let him do that. Do you have any words before you lose your life to these bees? No, they're really good bees. They don't they're not aggressive at all. Surprisingly, there seems to be quite a few of them today. Yeah, he's getting the smoker going. I'm supposed to be getting the tripod ready, and I gotta do that. So he's gonna put a bunch of hay in there, and that'll smoke for quite a while. Oh. That's smoking up. He's gonna pack it because he's gonna take a good look at it. You got that pretty packed.
Yep.
That's gonna last all day. There you go. Oh yeah, there you go. That's a good smoke right there.
Yeah, I need it to last for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Slowpoke Rodriguez is
Yeah. He called himself Slowpoke Rodriguez. But it looks like we're good. I'm going to go ahead and catch up with you in a minute. I'm going to fix this tripod so I can get going. Boy, look at that smoke. All right.
about halfway down. They've been taking it. It's about half gone as well. Now it's recording. I think so. I don't think it's supposed to be on the bottom.
What is it? I know, but what is it? Is it wax?
I don't know.
You gotta get it off of there. Break it off. You need to put it on leave it on the leopard.
What the heck is all of this? They're not building off the comb.
Okay, so you just got done seeing our last visit to the beehive. This is the new beekeeper. He's going to explain to you what happened to the hive.
Well, after about 3 weeks, I opened up the hive for probably the second or third time. and I discovered that the bees were starting to make combs in a way that was asymmetrical as far as some beekeepers are concerned, I guess. Lots of beekeepers like to keep their bees trained and producing honey and producing larvae on their frames. But what I noticed was an uncontrolled, well, I wouldn't say uncontrolled, but uh, the harvesting of larvae and honey in an asymmetrical way. So it's called burr hiving. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's a natural phenomenon. Some beekeepers like um, burr hiving by the bees. It allows the bees to do what they want. They're still able to extract honey, and the bees pretty much do as they will within the hive. Um, but if you're looking for, which I am, a more controlled, symmetrical way of beehiving, then um, those birds need to be controlled, and the bees need to be, I guess, trained. So that's what I plan on doing today: is to go inside the nest and or within the hive and control some of that um, burr hiving that's going on. So
So that's about it. So that explains what he was doing the first time he opened it up, and how he was surprised with all those bulky mountain-looking hives or wax mounds in there. So that's what it was. It was called what is it, burr
burr
hiving?
hiving.
Burr hiving. So more later. We'll keep you updated on what's going on with the beehive. See you later, beekeeper.